Assalamu alaikum to all my students. I am your English teacher from Metropolitan Foundation School. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing well and spending a quality time with your family at home. May Allah Almighty always stay bless you all. As you all know that we all are facing the corona pandemic, so we are starting our online classes again for the continuity of your studies. So today here I am to explain you a topic, and the topic name is contractions. Basically we have selected some important topics for your revision. Then I have given you some unseen exercises related to this topic. So watch this video and do the exercises by yourself. Now start our today's video. But before starting our today's video, keep the following instructions in your mind before starting your copy work. Write the date on your page. Make a title page of a following topic. First letter should be capital, and make sure that your writing should be neat and clean before starting your work. Now let's start our today's video, and the today's video is related to the topic, and the topic name is contractions. The topic name is contractions. This video is basically for class 5 students, and the topic name is contractions. So let's start. Okay, now in this slide we have a definition of a contractions. Now read this along with me. A contraction is a shortened word made by putting two words together. A contraction is a shortened word made by putting two words together. A contraction is a shortened word made by putting two words together. Basically contraction ऐसे words के लिए यूज़ होता है. Basically contraction जो है वो short form के लिए यूज़ होता है. आपने किसी दो words को split करके उसको short form में यूज़ किया, so we call it as a contraction. A contraction is a shortened word made by putting two words together. दो shortened words को combine करके उनको साथ करके एक short form को स्टार्ट किया जाए, उसे हम कहते हैं contraction. Okay, now we have an example of contraction. As you can see in this slide that you plus r equal to your. ठीक है, u plus r, it means कि हमने दो words को combine किया और हमने उसको contraction में कैसे उसकी short form ले ली. ठीक है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में करके हमने उसको एज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन शो किया है. u प्लस r इक्वल टू योर. u प्लस r is equal to your is said to be as a contraction. u plus r is equal to your is said to be as a contraction. Okay, now the apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. The apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. apostrophe जब हम किसी contraction में यूज़ करते हैं तो इधर हम एक से ज़्यादा words के साथ यूज़ करते हैं, एक से ज़्यादा letters के साथ हम apostrophe यूज़ करते हैं. The apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. हम एक letters को भी include कर सकते हैं और more than one letters we should include as an contraction. The apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. For example, you are a वंडरफुल पर्सन। लेकिन इस स्लाइड में हमने योर यूज़ किया है एज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज़ की है, तो हम इसको किस तरह पढ़ेंगे? योर अ वंडरफुल पर्सन, यू आर अ वंडरफुल पर्सन। कॉमा जो एपोस्ट्रॉफ जो है वो बीच में जो यूज़ हो रहा है वो हम लेटर्स में एक लेटर्स के साथ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और मोर देन वन लेटर के साथ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। जब टू वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके उनको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखा जाए उसे हम कहते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्शन। यू आर अ वंडरफुल पर्सन। You are is using as a contraction. Okay, now we have another example related to contraction, and it is that plus is equal to that's. That plus is equal to that's. That's our car. That's our car. That plus is equal to that's. That's is using as a contraction. That's our car. That's our car. Now we have another example. We plus will equal to wheel. Wheel we are using as a contraction and wheel is said to be as a contraction. We'll go to the zoo. We plus will is equal to will. Will is said to be as a contraction. We'll go to the zoo. We plus will is equal to will. We'll go to the zoo. I plus have is equal to I have. I plus have is equal to I have. I have is said to be as a contraction. I've is said to be as a contraction. I've got the teddy with me. I have got the teddy with me. I plus have is equal to I've is said to be as a contraction. We are using contraction by putting two words together, and we are using contraction as a shortened form. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को बेसिकली हम दो वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके उसको एज अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज़ करें उसे हम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कहते हैं। कॉन्ट्रैक्शन दो वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके शॉर्ट करके लिखा जाए वी कॉल इट एज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन। कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इज़ अ शॉर्ट टर्म यूजिंग इन अ सेंटेंस। वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग अ short term words in our sentences. हम बेसिकली कॉन्ट्रैक्शन को एज अ शॉर्ट टर्म यूज़ करते हैं। I plus have is equal to I've. I have got the teddy with me. I have got the teddy with me. I have got the teddy with me. I plus would is equal to I'd. I'd is said to be as a contraction. I plus would is equal to I'd. I would. I plus would is equal to I'd. I'd study hard. I would study hard. I'd study hard. I plus would is equal to I would study hard. I plus would is equal to I'd study hard. It plus is equal to its. It plus is equal to its. It plus is equal to its. Yes, it's my cat. Yes, it's my cat. It plus is equal to its. It plus is equal to its. Yes, it's my cat. Its is using as a contraction, or we can say that its is said to be as a contraction. Okay, now we have another rule related to contraction. Some contractions are formed by putting a verb with the word not. Some contractions are formed by putting a verb with a word not. कुछ contractions ऐसे भी बनते हैं words के साथ जो क्या लग के ऐड होते हैं, not के साथ ऐड होते हैं. Some contractions are formed by putting a verb. कुछ contractions ऐसे बनते हैं कि वर्ड के साथ हम उनके वर्ड में नॉट एज अ वर्ड जो है वो नॉट इंक्लूड करते हैं टू मेक अ कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. सम कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस आर फॉर्म्ड बाय पुटिंग अ वर्ब विथ द वर्ड नॉट. सम कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस आर फॉर्म्ड बाय पुटिंग अ वर्ब with the word not. कुछ contractions जो form होते हैं मतलब बनते हैं वो as a जो verb होता है उनके साथ not लग के और वो फिर contractions हम use करते हैं. For example, can plus not is equal to can't. Can't is said to be as a contraction, or we are using can't as a contraction. Can plus not is equal to can't. Can plus not is equal to can't. Can plus not is equal to can't. We can't go out to play as it is raining outside. As you can see or as you can notice that in this sentence we have a contraction, or we are using contraction can't as a contraction. We can't go out to play as it is raining outside. We can't go out to play as it is raining outside. Now we have another example including not. Is plus not is equal to isn't. 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 Isn't that your cat? Isn't that your cat? Is plus not is equal to isn't. Isn't that your cat? Now, we have a copy work related to our today's topic, contractions. I have given you the unseen exercise related to the topic contraction. I hope that all the queries will be, जितनी भी क्वेरीज आपके माइंड में होंगी रिलेटेड टू दिस टॉपिक, जितनी भी आपके माइंड में इससे रिलेटेड कोई डिफ़िकल्टी होगी या प्रॉब्लम होगी, सो वो सारी क्लियर हो गई होंगी कि हम कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस को किस तरह यूज़ करते हैं. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हम किसी भी शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए एज अ शॉर्ट टर्म दो वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करके एज अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखते हैं. और एक रूल ये भी है कि हम कुछ जब कोई वर्ब होता है तो उसके साथ वर्ब के जब कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस में हम नॉट भी यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस में हम एपोस्ट्रोफ यूज़ करते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म के साथ. जब हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म को चेंज करते हैं तो हम एपोस्ट्रोफ को यूज़ करते हैं. एपोस्ट्रोफ हम एक लेटर्स के साथ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और एक लेटर्स से ज़्यादा के वर्ड्स और लेटर्स के साथ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Now I have given you the unseen exercise related to the contractions. Now listen to me very carefully if you have any query in your mind. Okay, now let's start the copy work. Write the correct abbreviation for the underlined words. Write the correct abbreviation for the underlined words. And students, it's your copy work. Do this copy work in your English P copy. And you have to do this work in a very neat and clean handwriting. Make sure that you have to make a title page of a topic contraction. Then you have to start this work in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, the first one is she is at the park. She is at the park dash. अब she is आपको जो अंडरलाइन हुआ है उसको आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में चेंज करना है. और आपकी आसानी के लिए मैंने नीचे आपको बॉक्स में जो है वो ऑप्शंस भी दिए हुए हैं, आपको सेलेक्ट करके यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स में पुट करना है. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज शी इज एट द पार्क. शी इज एट द पार्क. अंडरलाइन हुआ है शी इज़ पे, तो आपको शी इज़ को कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में चेंज करके और ब्लैंक्स में पुट करना है. The second one is where is the ball? Where is the ball? Underline हुआ हुआ where is पे, so you have to change the where is in a contraction. Then you have to write in a missing blank. The third one is there is the book. There is the book. There is पे underline हुआ है, so you have to change there is as a contraction. The fourth one is he is not at school. He is not at school. Underline हुआ है he is पे, तो आपको he is को contraction में change करना है. Number 5 है how is your food. How is your food? Underline हुआ है how is पे, so you have to change it. The sixth one is it is snowing. It is snowing. It is पे underline हुआ है, so you have to change it. आपको यहाँ पे आपकी आसानी के लिए नीचे बॉक्स में ऑप्शंस भी दिए हुए हैं, आपको इनमें से चूज़ करके अपने ब्लैंक्स में पुट करके और अपना ये कॉपी वर्क बहुत अच्छी और साफ़ सुथरी राइटिंग में कंप्लीट करना है. जिस तरह आपको इस वीडियो में दिया हुआ है इसी तरह आपको कंप्लीट करना है. ये कॉपी वर्क है आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्शन से रिलेटेड, अनसीन है लेकिन बहुत इजी एक्सरसाइज है, आप सब आसानी से कर लेंगे. स्टूडेंट, नीचे ऑप्शंस भी आपकी आसानी के लिए गिवन है, सो आई होप दैट आपके लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. आपको मैंने अनसीन जस्ट 6 दिए हुए हैं, आपको सिर्फ आंसर्स इनके फाइंड आउट करके, फाइंड आउट भी नहीं, नीचे ऑप्शन हैं उसमें से देख के और आपको ये कंप्लीट करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू हैव एनी डिफ़िकल्टी और एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग दिस वीडियो, सो you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.